are many things to look for in a program when you're applying for fellowship, but the most important thing is if you'll be a fully trained and well-equipped neuroradiologist who is ready to go out into the world once you finish, and I believe that Mount Sinai definitely assists you in that goal.
The Mount Sinai Health System is the largest health system in New York City and one of the largest in New York State. Radiology plays an integral role in servicing clinicians and patients throughout our health system. We perform over 1 million radiology studies per year, and our training programs, in particular neuroradiology, benefit greatly from this exposure.
The goal of our one-year fellowship program is to expose fellows to all facets of modern neuroimaging, as well as to foster intellectual growth and development of strong clinical skills.
The Mount Sinai Neuroradiology Fellowship is truly one where you will feel challenged every day you come into work and work amongst the world leaders in neuroradiology and truly feel at home. You learn so much just by the number of cases and the complexity of cases.
Fellows are exposed to a large volume of diverse and highly complex cases covering the gamut of neuroradiology, including brain, spine, and head and neck cases.
From day one, you get a lot of autonomy, especially with the procedure rotation. We do a number of procedures, including myelograms, lumbar punctures, CT-guided biopsies, ultrasound-guided biopsies, epidural blood patches, kyphoplasties.
You really feel like you're an integral part of the team because every case that you're going over with the referring providers, whether it be the neurologist, the neurosurgeon, the ophthalmologist, the ENT, they're really coming to you and asking your advice and your opinion.
We take advantage of the latest equipment with the Biomedical Engineering and Imaging Institute, which leverages developing modalities like 7T MRI, PET-MR, and AI to advance imaging to the next level.
For RadPath correlation, we cut 200 to 300 brains per year, providing gloves-on experience each week with the features and the textures of normal and diseased brains. And you'll soon read images as manifestations of the pathology you've just seen and touched, not just sets of findings.
Mentorship is huge. The level of teaching you get here from the amazing attendings and the level of expertise they have. When you start picking up these very subtle findings that you know that you would have never seen before, you start getting that level of satisfaction knowing that you're truly making a difference.
Regardless of whether you decide to go into private practice or into an academic specialty in the future, you're going to leave here very confident knowing that you can handle pretty much any cases thrown at you.
It's a really supportive environment that only makes your time here easier and better.
Everybody wants you to succeed.
We are proud and privileged to train the next generation of neuroradiologists.